Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll discuss why your pressure washer isn't holding pressure and what to do about it. Keep watching until the end to learn how to do this and more. A blocked nozzle restricts the flow of water into the washer, while a worn nozzle lets too much water to flow into the washer. Both scenarios can prevent your pressure washer from staying pressurized. Ensure you regularly replace your nozzle and that it's the right size for its fitting. Loose or damaged O-rings and connections. Loose O-rings and connections on your pressure washer can cause water and pressure to leak before reaching the nozzle. Turn off the washer and run water through it. If you hear any hissing sound or notice a leakage from any O-ring or connection, tighten the seals or replace them accordingly. Low pressure water supply. If you connect your washer's inlet hose to a low pressure tap that doesn't have a pump, it will have difficulty staying pressurized. Try connecting it to a high pressure tap that can supply the required amount of pressure and water flow for your washer to remain adequately pressurized. Also, avoid using a very long inlet hose as the water pressure reduces the longer it travels through the hose. So, there you have it. This is why your pressure washer isn't holding pressure and how to fix it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.